put it on and go. Just keep it moving. Hey ladies, today I have a wig review. Decided since I was already wearing it because I was filming another video that I was like, hey, I might as well just go ahead and share this wig. So this hair is from Outre. It is a synthetic lace front wig, and it has an L part that runs and curves to the side. But I had this wig probably how many months now? I had it since the summer, so I'm gonna say about 4 months, and she already starting to get a little not as soft anymore in the ends, but that's expected because it is a synthetic wig. So yeah, I mean, I think Outre did a good job because it looks like a natural blowout, you know? You don't have to straighten your hair. You can find something that looks natural that's coming from your own scalp. This hair can take heat up to 400 degrees, which is, I haven't done that just yet. I haven't needed to. This hair is not glued down. I'm using the Wig Fix. If you don't know what that is, it's like a little silicone headband that just kind of, it's like a wig grip, pretty much. I don't like to glue my hair down, so I'm also lazy. I just like to put it on and go. Just keep it moving. So, she is pretty long, so let me show you how long she is. She's about this long. Go down to the waist. I really like how natural looking it is. Outre really did a good job on it. But anyways, this is Neesha again in 1B. To sum it up, pretty much, Neesha, she's pretty and all, but you know, of course, it's synthetic, so she does shed a little bit, like just running my fingers through it, just to be honest. She sheds. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, not a lot, but a few hairs here and there when I run my fingers through it, because you're supposed to finger comb it, but then the hairs come out, so you know. Yeah. And she mats too at the end, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one soon. Yeah. But she's pretty overall. I'm pretty happy about it. So yeah, I pretty much just I plucked it and I put a little makeup on the edge here on the part. Some people do middle part. I always like to wear a side part, so I just shifted the wig so my part be on the side. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, so let me know if there's any other wigs you'd like for me to try and review for you guys. Alright, that's it.